Okay, this is Don Donki. This is a Japanese area, so they're all kind of filling in, and I think they're. I think we're gonna have to come in over here in a second. Yeah, this is a grand opening, and I guess they're all waiting just to get in. So we're gonna try to wait as well. And here's where we're at right here. Go check it all out.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here's where we are right here. Look at this line. It's a big, massive line. So I guess we're gonna have to go to the end of the line over here, try to get in here and see what everybody's doing. Got my friend over here. He's gonna go check it out. Let's see what this is. Yeah, I guess they're all coming in here. Huh. Some other kind of interesting stuff too. I think this must be part of it as well. Yeah, there's a lot of people coming up here anyways. Got line. Gonna take a look here and see. So we're gonna try to see what all the commotion is all about here. Is there other stuff over here too? Is that the entrance? Is that the entrance? No. No? What are the people doing there?
Maybe they're gonna let them in over here.
Huh. This is kind of see. So now we can see inside here a little bit. Huh. So there's one entrance here. Is it the exit or the entrance? Pretty massive though. So this is all Japanese goods. Looks like there's more over here too. And it looks like these are just letting people out. So there's so many people trying to get in that this is the exit, I think. So let's just walk down a little bit more and just see what's down here. See, I think these are just people that are exiting. That's one big massive store. Wow. Okay, you got a food court in here. Let's see if we can go in here. Yeah, actually crazy just how many people are in here. So I'm trying to film, but we're not really supposed to film, but it's just incredible. So today is the opening day, so it's pretty massive store with pretty much everything you can imagine. This big, massive Japanese oriented place. So let's just kind of take a look around a little bit. Got all kinds of stuff in here. So we're just kind of giving a brief taste. I don't think I'm supposed to have the camera, so I'm just gonna show a little bit. We got some cameras over there. So yeah, it looks like what basically you have to come in one side and then you kind of snake your way through to the exit part. So pretty interesting. Huh. So it looks like these are kind of the way they have to exit out and follow a certain path. Yeah, this is kind of the inside of it anyways. So yeah, brand new place. So this place is opening day. Okay, we're gonna try to angle out of here. And as you can see, it's pretty crowded everywhere. So I don't know the best way out, but we're gonna try. I think we're gonna try to go this way. Yeah, you can see all the lines today. Opening day, so maybe later it'll be different, but it also kind of says like how much in demand this would, a place like this would be. It's basically a Japanese department store. And I think we have to follow these lines and go all the way that way. We'll see if we can do it or not. I think that might be the lines to the cash register, possibly. Yeah, there's that's the welcoming over there. So we're gonna try to angle. Yeah. Let's see if we can. Okay, so we're gonna try to get over there if we can. We have all these lines, so I think that they have it kind of organized where we have to, I think what we're going to have to do is figure out a way to get out of here. So we just kind of came where the entrance was at, and that was where tons of people were at, and we're just trying to navigate best that we can. Through it all. Okay. So I think. Okay, yeah, there's a little food court area over here that we're gonna try to go to. A little bit chaotic, but they definitely have a lot of stuff here. Okay. The food court, food area. So I don't know if I'm going to end up in the same spot again or not. End of the queue. Exit is to say? Exit? So we're going to try to exit. So I think they're waiting for the cash register, but we're going to try to get out of here. So the best way to move out is just to so yeah, we have this little path, so we're going to follow this path all the way through. It looks like it kind of navigates like all the way up that way. Okay, so that's the opening day. It's crazy, super crowded in there. Don Donki, and that was a Japanese department store that's just opened up a couple of days ago. So it's pretty popular. It was crazy to go in there and to see how popular that was. So everybody's directing them to the front part. The front part's going to be over here. So the entrance is over in this direction. So we're going to be heading over that way. Yeah, look at all the people. So basically we just kind of got into the middle of everything and we were able to see a little bit of how it worked, but they were coming on one side and then there's kind of big massive group of people. That's 24 hours, so that's going to be an amazing place to go at the middle of the night, 2 in the morning, and shop at a 24-hour place like this. So yeah, a little bit disorganized. I didn't, my first time here, I haven't really seen something quite like that, and this is the lining again of all the people waiting to get in. So yeah, you can see how massive that line is, right? 3 rows of it. And when you're in, it's quite crowded already. So yeah. Let me just see. So that's the name right there. Let's just kind of come back a little bit and we're going to try to capture a good thumbnail. So there it is right there. when we're gonna come on out of here. And yeah, it's popular today. Very, very popular. Let's take one more look before we go. Okay, wow. Alright. Dang. Okay. Don't know what to say about that. This is kind of where we're at in this area.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.